Here is a wonderful 2016 Buick Cascada. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Cascada pampers you with creature comforts and shields you with the latest safety features while giving you the agile, spirited drive your heart desires. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, pre-collision system, navigation system, keyless entry, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, fog lamps, premium sound system, lane keeping assist, backup camera, a luxury convertible that has top safety ratings? Yup, the Cascada.